Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another day of Kit Conspiracy, or another week. It's actually not a week, it's just the last 2 days of the month. We decided to throw in there a couple of layouts using our Wherever page kit. This is not a whole collection. This has 4 patterned papers, 4 sheets of laser cut elements, a sheet of 12 by 12 adhesive back chipboard, and that's it. So not a lot of paper in this one, you guys, but I only need to get 2 layouts out of it because there's only 2 days left of the month. And these are kits that we are using Wherever, probably additional things as well, but primarily we're starting with Wherever for our cruise kits for Alaska. And so I'm going to be using some Alaska photos. So here's one of the papers. I really love this. I don't know if I will use the pre-made side. I'm more likely to use the non-pre-made side because I'm a rebel that way and don't like to follow instructions. I don't know. I don't know. It seems like even like the cluster kits and stuff like that, I don't end up using the clusters exactly as they have them designated, which is fine. I just like that you have a random sampling of things to use. So here is another piece of paper. I love that there's pre-made mixed media on it. And here is the flip side. So if you wanted to layer all of these pieces up, they are or should be in the kit that we've got going here. How come I have 5 papers? Oh, one is the packaging. Okay, so this one says charting your own course. And then here is the flip side. You could just put your photos on there and pretty much be done, you guys. But that one says charting your own course. So this will be interesting for me to use because I don't always use the papers that are like this. I end up using papers from the pattern paper pack and the solids, or what they consider solids. I don't usually always use these, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to try. This one just says awesome, and it's got a matte print. And here are the instructions for each. So we'll see if I end up doing it, but it tells you exactly what to pull and then how to put it together so that you can build it. And you can refer to the back side in case you have trouble seeing it. Although once you get things laying on the front side, it's hard to see the back side. So yeah, that's fun. Okay, here's the chipboard elements. Got some frames. 6 frames, a do not enter, worth it, destination, a hot air balloon, some wordy bits, compass, maps, suitcase. So that'll be fun. And then this one is some journaling spots or layering spots, leaves, tabs, words. That'll be fun to use. This says exploring, good times, and adventure. Those will be fun to use as well. Like I said, I only have to get 2 pages out of it because there's only two days this month. Although, I mean, if I can get more out of it, I will. But sometimes I use more embellishments. Sometimes I use less. You just never know. I don't know about this one. So yeah, I like all of these bits. I don't know about all those little dots. That seems like a lot of work to pop all those out, but maybe it would be really worth it. So lots of different things going on there. And then some more layering bits. These definitely go underneath things. And then those are some journaling areas or tucked in. So yeah, lots to work with there for the next 2 days. So come back and check out what is going on for the last 2 days of November, just so you can see what we're doing. Also, one of those days is going to be Mixed Media Mayhem, so there's going to be some mixed media involved. I don't know what that means because I haven't really looked at it yet, but I know it's a Friday, so there's going to be some mixed media involved. So if that's your thing, you definitely want to come and check out Fridays. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a video. Bye-bye.